That is perfect, because that would have been my question too.
Okay, good.
Can I say?
Yeah. Sure.
I would start by saying it's neither. It's institutional.
Yep.
And it's really about creating the funding streams to have people to be able to do the work. I think we know, technically we know how. Legally, there's room to use the information appropriately. It's a matter of institutional capacity.
I totally agree.
I'd like to follow up on that a little bit. If you go back a couple slides where you showed your vision of how you get satellite data embedded into policy regional modeling.
You mean this?
There. So this is already being done with the MAC project in Europe. So
yes.
It's not only technically feasible, it's being done.
Yeah.
And I agree with you wholeheartedly. It's institutional inertia that is why it's not happening in the U.S.
Yeah, so I just want to explain. So there's a program within Europe that it goes by many different names. It is now called Copernicus, and the Air Quality Service of Copernicus. And it was built under several other names. The MAC project was one of the precursors. And what's happened is the European Union has funded a consortium of institutions to basically operationalize this sort of activity. So they have a major focus of this is the European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, ECMWF, in the UK. But basically, what they're doing is they're taking satellite data on an operational basis, feeding it into global models, producing forecasts, which are then used to nest to look at regional models, and comparing that to surface observations. And they're doing this, the plan is to do this daily. This is an operational thing as a service to the community. And one of the things that makes that possible is the way that they've thought through the funding of that. And it's something that we have a real obstacle, I think, in the way we fund research and the way we fund that interaction between the research community and the policy community. We don't have a mechanism at this point that's like what they've done. So replicating that infrastructure is difficult.
Thank you. And this concludes our panel. Thank you very much for coming.